Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can use the question sticker feature on TikTok. Okay, so the process is simple. So I'll open up TikTok, and when you're on the home page, just tap the plus icon at the bottom in the center to create a new TikTok video. Now you can either create a 15-second, 60-second or 3-minute TikTok video, or upload one from your camera roll. So I'll just record something real quick to demonstrate this, so I'll let it go for that long and then press stop. And now just tap on the tick mark at the bottom right hand corner, and now to use the question sticker you need to create some text. So I'll say I will tap on text at the bottom there, and I'll write, "Is this cool?" with a question mark as a question. And now to use a question sticker to get more replies, just tap on the text, and there you can see it says use question sticker. So if I tap on use question sticker, it says allow others to answer questions you post. When a creator answers your question, your profile info will be shown on their video. So then you just tap on allow, and now you can see it's been changed into a question sticker, and people will have the ability to answer that question. Then you can tap on next and then just post that onto your TikTok profile. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.